In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change date and time format in Outlook. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you don't like your current date and time format in Outlook, you can change it by just following these steps. To get started, log into your Outlook account, then go to settings icon here and click on it. Then click on general under settings, and you can see we have here language and time. Under this, we are interested in changing the date and time format. So you can see your current date format is this. That is mine. So if you want to change this, click on it, and you can see various formats that are supported. Choose your preferred one. And also, if you want to change the time format, you can see it here. Click on it, and now change it to the format that you wish, and click on save here to apply the changes. So that's how you can change your date and time format on Outlook. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.